connected to him. I flex on my ex every time that she texts me. I'm looking like, hold up. Yeah. I know I'm the shit, but she say I ain't shit in my dick. Shut up. Yeah. I'm taking my nukes to places I took her. She can't.
Hey guys, it's your girl. I'm just kidding. That was so good. So we got some Fazoli's and I'm gonna eat. So we're gonna talk to you.
Don't waste them.
Okay. Ari, say hi. What are you? Oh, you're picking out the tomatoes. I was like, what did you do? Amia, what did you get to eat?
Taco Bell.
Okay, what are you eating?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. Okay, I don't know what I got because Mom just ordered it. So what is this? Oh, there's breadsticks from Fazoli's. And then
tomatoes.
Hi. Oh, it's laganza. It's lasagna. They really did the most. They gave us the biggest bag for nothing. Okay, guys, this is what my food looks like. And I'm gonna get my breadstick.
Guys, I got a salad.
Oh, you got a salad? Did you get that?
And lasagna. I got the meal.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we all got a meal, and then Amia got Taco Bell. And Jamaica's got a salad.
And I got lasagna and a salad.
Why are you looking at the camera like that?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you doing?
I have been.
And he's knocked out. I don't know. Was he up all night? What are you doing? Oh, did you put the ranch in and now you're shaking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Ew, Mom, what are you? I'm not taking a picture.
Oh, I thought you were taking a picture.
Goofy dude.
What are we doing?
Okay, we're just talking. Oh, and we can listen to
Mukbang. Mukbang like it.
Mom, no, that's disgusting. I just want you close. Okay. Will you stay forever?
I cannot sing and eat at the same
Hear
time.
those voice cracks? I don't like breadsticks though. You and me together. Okay, break the breadstick and put it in your laganza.
That's good.
Like so. And cover the top.
I don't think they can see it.
I know, that's why I did this. Okay, and then it should look like this. And then you eat it. And it's so good. I've never had it, but it's so good.
Exactly.
The thought of it is so good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's like a sandwich. You.
And then you sing to your food. It makes it really good.
I fell off the ball. Oh, you're sitting on a ball? Yeah, it's off the ball. I'm a time lapse.
I don't like.
Blah 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 blah. I have nothing to say here. We was just really hungry. They're taking pictures of food. I don't know why, but they are. I ate like 1/4.
She likes salad.
I'm already getting full.
I think she likes lasagna.
Your mom does. I thought there was a layer of bread at the bottom of the lasagna, but it's like cheesy noodle.
First bite of my lasagna.
What were you eating before?
Salad.
Oh. Mom was like, gosh, I forgot to take a picture of the food.
Ooh, look how I'm blowing.
Ow.
Oh,
that bread almost went straight down.
I can hear the angels
Oh my god.
singing whenever I take a bite.
That was the angel singing. Oh, I remember this song.
Oh, I think I know about that. Oh my gosh.
Look how I'm blowing.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try their lemonade. I've never had it.
Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Why are you
I
poking
broke
like,
it.
Why are you poking like Boba?
I don't know. I want boba.
Ready?
Yeah. It tastes weird.
I don't know if I like it or not.
It's like
sour,
a
but it's
yeah.
sweet.
That was about to say that. It tastes like pea. I don't know what it tastes like.
Why
but
would you say that?
what pea tastes like?
Why would you say that?
I don't.
Secret no more.
Pea tastes good. This one's mine. What's going on back there, Jamarcus? Is Amia asleep?
Her head's behind the Taco Bell bag.
Mom thought that was weird. I just wanted to just show you guys the bottom of a lasagna. Who wouldn't want to see that?
Some lemonade just fell out my mouth.
Ew, Ari stayed drooling.
It was a drool, it was lemonade.
Guys, Ari wants to tell you guys some news.
My birthday's in 4 days.
Yes, and we're celebrating it on the 4th of July though, even though it's on the 5th. And we are gonna have a great party with family and fireworks and swimming.
Cookout, swimming.
Yes, at our house. Ari gets to spend it with us again. Again. We did that at the same time. Don't be shy, put some more. So we're on the way to the post office. Oh, by the way, sorry I haven't been posting a lot. I just wanted to make a video. If this doesn't get uploaded, if it does, you guys are lucky to see
Lemonade
this.
just fell out my mouth.
She's not
Limited
posting.
edition. Because I do not post.
She's scared.
Look, Braylon's neck is broke.
Fix it.
Stop, Squigga! Vroom. They see me rolling. They hating. We also, hold
The
up.
salad had a bag and then the lasagna had a bag.
We also went to the Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, and Target. And I got this cute shirt because it was only $5 at Target. Hold up.
I did too.
Y'all be doing too much.
No, you didn't get this one. You got the other one. Okay.
Y'all done went on shopping spree or something.
Then me and Ari both got this one. Mom's hating in the background, but don't worry. And then, we both got these leggings because they were only $6
They
at
shopped
Target.
with me and I'm the one that worked.
And Mom
They
paid
ain't
for
got
mine,
no job.
but she's taking it out of my money.
You are alright.
Then I got soccer cones at the Dollar Tree. I thought that was awesome. I can make like goals, you know, because Mom won't give me an actual goal. Yep. Then I got an eyelash curler. I already opened it, and then
She's mean. She don't deserve it.
I'm not mean. Then we have these bracelets. I'm gonna put them on my ankle and take pictures at the beach. And oh, I got some glitter for nails because I do nails. So yeah. But I'm not good at doing nails. But I do them.
Right there beside the door.
If you love me
What
right.
they doing? They selling big fucking shit up.
You got a perfect one, so put it
I'm
on
gonna see if I can
me.
get this.
Swear it won't take you if you love me right. Ba, ba, ba. If you love me right. Ba, ba, ba. Well, hope you guys love that short or long video. I don't know how long it is. Bye. Make sure you like.